Do you want to improve your heart health? That's a question we should all be asking ourselves. Our heart is the engine that powers our body, making heart health crucial. This video is your guide to a stronger cardiovascular system. We'll share 5 surprising tips to boost your heart health. Tips that will make a difference in your daily life. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of heart health. Stay tuned to unlock the secrets of heart health and enhance your life. Tip number 1. Embrace regular exercise. Keeping the heart healthy involves a good dose of physical activity. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a quick swim, or a dance class, any form of movement can do wonders for your cardiovascular system. Even moderate exercise can significantly lower your risk of heart disease. It's not about how intense your workout is, but how consistent. So, make movement a part of your daily routine. Remember, a little exercise can go a long way in strengthening your heart. Moving on to tip number 2, prioritize sleep. There's a strong connection between sufficient quality sleep and heart health. When you're well rested, your body has a chance to repair heart and blood vessels. On the other hand, consistently skimping on sleep can lead to higher risk of cardiovascular disease. This is because sleep deprivation can lead to inflammation, increased blood pressure, and higher levels of stress hormones. So, don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Let's delve into tip number 3, maintain a balanced diet. A heart-healthy diet isn't about restriction but about balance and variety. It's a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, all of which contribute to a healthier heart. But remember, it's equally important to limit the intake of saturated fats, sugars, and salts. These can increase your risk of developing heart disease. So make smart food choices and remember, your heart is what you eat. A balanced diet is key to a healthy heart. Tip number 4 on our list, limit alcohol consumption. We all know that a glass of red wine can be beneficial, but did you know that excessive drinking can harm your heart? Overindulgence can lead to high blood pressure, stroke, and even heart disease. Moderation is key. Enjoying a drink now and then is fine, but remember, balance is crucial. Overconsumption is a risk not worth taking. So, let's raise a glass to moderation and heart health. Drink responsibly for a healthier heart. Finally, tip number 5, manage stress. Stress isn't just a mind game, it can also take a toll on your heart. When stress levels rise, so does your blood pressure and heart rate, putting extra strain on your cardiovascular system. Chronic stress can lead to unhealthy behaviors such as overeating, smoking, or lack of exercise, further impacting heart health. So how can we manage stress for a healthier heart? Incorporating relaxation techniques into your daily routine can be a game changer. Meditation, for example, encourages mindfulness and helps lower blood pressure. Yoga not only strengthens your body but also promotes relaxation and stress reduction. Deep breathing exercises can help reset your stress response. And never underestimate the power of a good laugh or a chat with a loved friend, as social interaction can significantly reduce stress levels. So don't let stress take control, harness it, manage it, and let it guide you towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, a calm mind leads to a healthy heart. In conclusion, let's recall our journey to heart health. Regular exercise strengthens your heart muscles, while quality sleep rejuvenates them. A balanced diet provides necessary nutrients, and moderate alcohol consumption avoids unnecessary strain. Lastly, managing stress keeps your heart from overworking. These 5 surprising tips are your keys to a stronger cardiovascular system. Thank you for joining us on this journey to heart health. Remember, every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle counts. Until next time, stay healthy.